Namaste. I have attended today's workshop on Power Pack Personality. I would like to share my experience for this workshop. Overall, I found this workshop very useful for me. I have learned about body language, posture, poise, etc. Also, I came to understand how to speak or communicate in different situations. I also learned about presentation skills and negotiation skills. Now, I am become very confident about my communication with other, especially in front of large number of audience after learning from this workshop. At last, but not least, I would like to thanks to Mr. Satish and Mr. Amit from Nimble Academy for conducting such precious personality workshop, which is of course for all participants learned so much from this from this workshop, and I hope this will give a new level in our career and fields. Thank you.
Yesterday when I came for the program, I had some inhibitions for the last few months. This program has boosted my energy and also my confidence. Yesterday's debate and other role playing helped as an icebreaker with my colleagues. I feel amongst the youngsters, I remember my youth. Fear which had cropped up has reduced or almost gone. Even the exercises are really good in voice modulation. Again, the lost self-esteem or self-confidence has returned back. Videos on public speaking were awesome. Lots of transformation has taken amongst us.
Hello, here I am to give some good feedback about Power Pack management. Before joining this program, I was a bit upset and wanted to do something new, as I was completely, I have become a workaholic. So I wanted to go for a change. So after joining this program, I came to know various types of time management, interpersonal skill, reading exercises, organs which are involved in communication, which we were not aware of. But after coming here, I came to know many new things, which has built my self-confidence. Today we have done a public speaking in which I came to know individually we got a chance to speak in front of so many people. Today I came to know that after attending yesterday's session, I have improved a lot. Reading exercises. Also, we had some debates in which we got an opportunity to speak individually and you give a views about us. Even there was discussion about stage fright, which we commonly face among all. But now I can speak without any fright in front of any people. Hence, I would conclude is that my self-confidence is back. I'm very much happy that I have joined this program and had a very good days with all of them. Thank you.
Hello friends. Today we come to an end of the Power Pack program conducted over a period of 2 days. How both the days have gone through, I have no words to express. Today I learned a lot of things over a period of 2 days. What we covered in the first day was speech organs, the 5 different kind of speech organs that we have. Voice modulation, how it is to be done. How taking deep breath and pausing, how important it is for the voices to be effective is what we learned. We tried different methods of voice modulations based on plays from Shakespeare and speeches from different leaders. We did a lot of role plays through a good participation from all the delegates with a good team spirit. We had taken some kind of an assignment back home to convert all those speeches in our mother tongue, which we enacted today on the second day. Second day we covered interpersonal skills, how important it is, what are the ingredients gone into making of a good interpersonal skills, time management, overall, the entire 2 days session had been very effective. Yes, it will require a lot of practice over a period of time. Overnight, nothing happens. But yes, with a lot of practice, I think what I have learned today will go a long way to help me in my future. I thank Satish sir and Amit sir for giving us this opportunity for this wonderful program, which we will forever remember. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Roma Pawar, and a little bit that I would like to share about the Power Packed Personality program, which I have attended over the last 2 days. Initially, I was a little apprehensive to attend a personality program, but I was introduced to this by my friend, and when I saw the contents of the program, I was very happy to know that it had quite a lot of things that probably I would never ever learn anywhere else, or an assumption which I had that I know it all. To share with you a few things that really appealed to me and I really enjoyed it. Mainly it's about the articulation of your speech and how to use your speech organs to deliver clarity and effectiveness in your speech. In addition to it, modulation, how to have a raised pitch, how to keep the pace of your words, how to pause effectively to bring about the essence and lay emphasis on the right words. I always had the problem of being in a hurry, but towards the end of this session, I am more conscious of the way I speak and how I take pauses and the pace at which I speak. So I would like to thank Satish and Amit sir, because this is really a great learning. We were also shown videos on eminent leaders and the way they spoke, and that has had a great impact on my mind. We also learned how to handle debates in a very professional way and very methodical manner. I was also very happy with the kind of techniques that were provided to us to handle difficult and odd situations, especially when you are conducting a training. The most appealing was, the video recording which was done of all the participants when they delivered their speech. Thereafter, we were given an opportunity to view our own videos and understand the places where we went right and the places that we went wrong. The training overall has been a very interactive session. It's been a very comfortable environment, and the trainers have made us very comfortable to ask any questions, to clarify our doubts without any inhibitions. It was also a nice experience to know and meet all the different participants. All in all, it was a wonderful program, and I am so grateful to my friend for bringing this Power Packed Personality program to me. Thank you.
Hi, good evening friends. I am one of the participants at Nimble's Power Pack Personality course. It is 2 days workshop, and in 2 days we have worked on various constituents of Power Pack personality, including voice culture, assertiveness, interpersonal skills, positive attitude, and how to evolve as a better communicator. When I have come for this course, I had certain inhibitions and certain feelings in myself. But after attending these courses for 2 days, I feel that I have evolved as a better person or a better communicator, and all my doubts and fears have been overcome. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Jyoti. I would like to give my feedback about this 2-day workshop on Power Packed Personality conducted by Nimble Foundation. This 2-day workshop was a very good blend of classroom sessions and role plays and different activities conducted together. The first day was followed by importance of speech organs and their use in communication, breathing exercises to improve voice modulation, tone and pitch of the voice, how it should improve. That will help you in communication. Saying paragraphs in conversations aloud to improve the pronunciation. This was followed by debate on various topics that we put forth many points in front of an audience, which was very helpful in removing all the inhibitions.
We were later given the role play activity wherein we portrayed different roles with respect to the scenarios given to us. This was all for the first day. Second day we started with the translation of some of the Shakespeare's act in our mother tongue that highlighted the importance of focus and conviction in communication. Post tea break session was followed by individual presentations being recorded. The observations were discussed and improvement areas were suggested. It will definitely work. I will definitely work on the same and try to be and become better at public speaking. Ideas of great leaders were shown to create awareness of different styles of public speaking by eminent leaders. After a short discussion session on interpersonal skills and assertiveness, and followed by one-on-one discussion, two-day workshop came to an end. I would thank the Nimble Foundation for all it provided, and the Satish sir has given us very good guidance and advice on effective communication as well as public speaking. I am thankful and grateful to Nimble Foundation.
Good evening, sir. It was indeed a pleasure to attend here this 2 days seminar, or we can say workshop, on the power-packed personality. I am here before you to sum up what I am taking away with me, what I have learned in the last 2 days. I never knew that power-packed personality is such a deep science. As you started with the very basics, that first there are various steps I have learned in developing power-packed personality. First is that to effectively utilize 5 speech organs. We have these speech organs right from our birth, but what is the importance of these 5 speech organs in effectively developing our speech personality or handling the occasions? I could know today itself. So I have, this is small, but it is indeed of great importance. With 5 organs, lips, jaw, teeth, palate and tongue play effective roles in developing effective personality. Then I have learned that modulation of speech is very important, because for any speech, modulation is very necessary. Then only we can develop effective impression on the audience. These modulation could be categorized as pause, pitch, emphasis on keyword, tone. Then I was learned in this class that content, whatever you have to speak, the content should be prepared well in advance. I fully agree with that. Unless we do some homework on preparing the content, we may not succeed in speaking effectively. Thereby, the looks, etiquettes, body language, posture, attitudes and self-esteem are very much important and parallel requirements for the power-packed personality. We have seen the speeches of some of the top speakers of the world in the last decade, or we can say the last 150 or 50 years. We have seen how the Hitler has motivated his audience and soldiers. We have seen how Abraham Lincoln has motivated the Negroes for demand of the independence. Although they have got the independence, but they are not really independent. So his motivation, his speech has really inspired us. Thereafter, we have seen how our present Prime Minister Modi adding and connecting to the common people. Then how Mr. Bajpayee, the ex-Prime Minister, had excellent way of speaking with the pause. Thereafter, we have seen how we have to interact with each other, given the occasion or given the agenda, how we have to analyze the situation. We have seen Brutus and Caesar's story. We have seen his friend Amaretto and Caesar's story. So these are all given the in-depth analysis and realization, because our day-to-day activities we don't come across any such teaching. So this has also helped me a lot, analysis of the paragraphs and phrases. Similarly, so with this again we have seen the interaction, communication skills. Communication skill is very much important to connect ourselves with the person to whom we are talking or for the persons in the group. We have learned a lot for the time management, how we have to advance and utilize time effectively, because in the nowadays with the changing scenario in the technology world, we have to effectively use the technology for the time management. So this all I have learned a lot, and this 2 days teaching will have an impeccable effect in my life and career. Thank you.